Alright, well, this is my 1994 Wizard lawn tractor. Well, now she's my mud mower. It's pretty darn cool. Just got done with mowing or mudding with it. And if you guys want to be a hillbilly or redneck or whatever you like to call it, gotta take the hood out off of her, put a light bar on it. And well, I just kept these tires on it, but I probably get new tires on it eventually. That, and I'm gonna put a new transmission in it some point in time. Well, pulley system, so it'd go a lot faster than it is now. It's kind of my little redneck machine, and I'm trying to make it cool and all kinds of stuff. That's my shifter. My knob. That's how you turn on the light bar. See? It's pretty darn bright. So, nothing special. If I can get it all souped up. Thinking about maybe putting some I don't know yet. Some shocks on them. Muffler's kind of gay. Wish I had a different muffler. That sucks. Wish I had a stack on it. But I think I'm going to give it a good wash. And then maybe come back to the video here. And then we'll see what happens.